The stock DF Goblin mount is this white one, and I noticed when I put the cables down here that they were kinking the amount of twist that goes in the cable in order to get there is more twist, and I didn't want more twist. I have the extended frame, it doesn't leave me as much room on the cable length, and also these are they're flat across this plane. Yet when you look at the cables, they're at different heights. And if I back up, this is the stock mount, and the stock mount is two different heights rather than having them at the same height. So it puts this one cable up a little higher than that one. Now, this mount here originally was mounted back here. I added 3 inches and backed it up, and then I created this flat plate and back this bolt hole up 3 inches rather than doing what the Goblin is. I think if you have the shorter frame, maybe this mount works better, but relocating them at this angle and then getting rid of the extra height on here, it just left the cables a little too tight on the extended frame. So backing it up 3 inches gave me extra room from here to here. And I basically left the stock location, the stock angle, rather than changing the angle over here. I left it over there, and I like the correct heights on this cross brace. And there's even a little bit of rubber, I guess, or neoprene in these mounts. Don't know if that matters much.